Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Snapchat can't add friends. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then tap right here at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji, and then just scroll down until you find My Friends. Just get into it. That shows you your friends list, and the only way to fix that issue, to be able to add more friends at your Snapchat, is to remove some of your existing friends. Unfortunately, you have to do so. Just scroll down until you find some person that you can remove as a friend. Just hold down on their name, then hit Add Manage Friendship, and after that hit Add Remove Friend. In the same way, you can remove as much friends as you want to be able to add new friends on Snapchat. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.